So this is my panda. I have my camera strapped on my head here because it's kind of hard to hold this thing and hold the camera. But yeah, I made it out of acrylic. It's an acrylic blend. I got it from a company called Tap Plastics. It's made to diffuse LED lights on like signboards and stuff. But I used a heat gun to shape it. And take a look inside. I put a couple fans up in the ears, so it stays pretty cool. It's nice and air conditioned, so you don't get too hot when you're dancing. And then I filled the inside with LEDs, and I put these panels up here to block the light from your face so you don't lose your mind when you're wearing this thing. It's got an adjustable headband here. It was really tough to find material that would stick to this acrylic, but I found this foam material sticks really well with some super glue, which is basically acrylic itself. You can't see out of the eyes because it's too crazy, too much light, so I made it so you can see out of the nose. And you have a pretty decent field of view. Runs off of a single 5,000 milliamp hour LiPo battery. I have a battery voltage monitor too. I was getting about 3 or 4 hours off of one battery, so I just carried a few of these batteries with me. I have it hooked up to, this is a micro USB charging circuit, so you could just charge it with a power bank if you're out and about. Then we have the Arduino. This is just like the jellyfish. I used Google SketchUp to design this, and then I had it printed. And this actually has a microphone in it too, so it reacts to the audio. It looks pretty cool with some music. Let me see if I can get. So it's actually a spectrum analyzer. It's analyzing 8 different sections of the audio spectrum, and the different colors and sections of the strip light up accordingly. Oop. Switched patterns on me. But my favorite part about this mask has got to be the eyes. I put infinity mirrors in the eyes, so it's a pretty neat effect. I took this to a festival, and it was very dusty there, so the eyes are kind of full of dust, and it lost the illusion a little bit, but you can kind of see. When the mirrors are really clean, it looks really cool, especially with the mirrors being kind of broken in the back. But I have more just LEDs all the way around the eyes. Yeah, people seem to really like this thing.
Deary me.
Keep going, keep going. Not enough.
She's like dying class.